Hello, this is Robert Scott, Manic Beast Boise, back again with another thrilling video. These are praying mantises, excuse me, that I ordered from Josh's Frogs. You can find them online at joshsfrogs.com. And they sent me the 2 egg sacs and a culture of the fruit flies that you see in there, these little fellas that are crawling around. The praying mantis sac hatched today, so I took some of the fruit flies and threw them in there to feed the praying mantises so they don't cannibalize each other. But Josh's Frogs is a pretty good deal. I think for $50 I got 2 egg sacs, a bunch of fruit fly cultures, 12 of these big cups with the vented lids, as you can see. And you just hang them in there, hang the egg sac in there, put a twig in there and a wet paper towel to give it some humidity, and the egg sac hatched within a couple of days. So supposed to be within between 50 and 200 baby praying mantises in there. I haven't even bothered to count them. I have 3 more egg sacs that I'm waiting to hatch. So I'm going to grow some as friends and pets and release the rest into the garden. And they're kind of fun to watch. It's better than an aquarium. So I put the flies in there about half an hour ago. They're all kind of finding their own areas, getting away from each other. The mantises are kind of scared of them at first. They don't know what to do. So I'm pretty sure that nature will take over and they'll start hunting them here pretty soon. But it's pretty fun. For $50, fun to watch. I don't know what my wife is going to think when she gets home, but she'll probably be pretty cool. They're secure. They're not going to get out or anything until I want them to get out. So I put the flies in there outside. I went outside and took a handful of the flies out of the other cup and tossed them in there so they don't fly around the house. But it's pretty fun. And I would recommend joshsfrogs.com to anybody that wants to grow some Chinese praying mantises just for fun, or cool thing to get for your kids. It's kind of neat. But anyway, this is Manic Beast Boise. Be sure to like and subscribe. I always find some weird, cool stuff to video and put it on there, so I'd appreciate it if you subscribe and like. Have a great day from beautiful Boise, Idaho. Thank you. Bye-bye.